Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur on CapCut PC. It will be really simple and easy. Open the CapCut application and drag your video to the timeline. Now here we have to make cuts. Simply drag this line where you want to cut and press Ctrl plus B from keyboard to make cut. After making the cut in the middle, if you want to add a motion blur of this part video, select this and in the right side you will find this basic window. Scroll down and you will find motion blur. Simply check this option and you can change some of settings. It will start applying your motion blur. You can see in this middle video, but it's not working well. So there is another option to apply motion blur. In the left side you will find some of effects. You have to search for motion blur and then you will get this. Simply drag it to your cutout part and it will show you like this. You can also make it small or large if you want. In the right side you can see this horizontal and strength option. You can fix it according to your need. And now you can see there is different kind of results. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.